Are you seeing the "we couldn't find your account" error while logging into Instagram on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this Instagram login error. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, check your login credentials. Try login via a browser, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn off any VPN connection if you activate it. Solution 1. Basic check. Try username with underscore or any sign if you added. Then try email or phone number added with this account. Or ask a friend to search. Check if your account was disabled or deleted. Instagram won't be able to find it in that case. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings, then tap on General, next tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Update Instagram app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type Instagram. Now find the Instagram and tap on it. If you see an update option available there, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problems is solved or not. Hope your issue is fixed now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.